Justin Bieber put a ring on it. Okay, relax, believers. It's not what you think. And we're pretty sure it's on her right hand. Selena Gomez shared this photo of a diamond-studded J-ring holding what looks to be Justin's hand, along with the caption, "I'm finally home," smiley face. Valentine's Day gift or something more? Let us know what you guys think on Twitter or Facebook. Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt step out for the Bosnia premiere of her movie In the Land of Blood and Honey. Angie, of course, looks gorgeous in a long black gown with a dapper-looking Brad by her side. The mom of 6 even got a bit emotional as she spoke about how much this film means to her. Well, there you have it. I'm Kristen Aldridge. If you love getting your daily fix of entertainment and celebrity news, be sure to like us on Facebook. See you guys tomorrow.
Is it true the Price by Negotiator saved you from that bus?